everybody, welcome back to the Clay House. This is Alexa. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing Ipsy. It's a monthly subscription box and they have three options: the Ipsy Glam Bag for $12, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for $25, or the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate for $50. Today I have here for you the regular glam bag for $12 a month. It comes in this bag right here, and inside this bag we have the information, little brochure, and then all the items come in this little cute bag here. So it usually has 5 beauty products, and you get to personalize your bag in the beginning when you subscribe to tailor it to things that you like. So first thing that we have in here is the Dewy Tree Clean Lab AC Dew Foam. Crystal clear and flawless skin. Let me see something. Oh, okay. All right, next we have this Pout on Point. This is, what is this? It's a lip liner. And it looks like this. Let's see, and, ooh, okay. Color. That's pretty. That looks really nice. I like it very much. Okay. So that, we have the lip liner. Then we have eggplant mud cream mask. That's good. Okay. After that, then we have Pores Be Gone, a matte primer with fig extract. Okay, yeah, I have to start wearing primer because I don't know what's going on with my skin. And then lastly, we have this in bubble wrap. I'm taking it out of the bag. It's a highlighter, and it is from Ofra. I've heard of that brand, but I've never tried anything from that brand. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. That's nice. I love me some shimmer. That's so pretty. All right, and that is all that we have in this bag. So we have that one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the lip liner is 5. So I believe the lip liner is a full size, and this Ofra shimmer is also full size. And then you have the 3 samples of this stuff here, all for $12. It's not bad, not bad at all. I like this. I think Ipsy is one of my favorite subscription boxes, and the bag is so cute, and the material, you can tell it's sturdy. It's not going to rip on you after you zip it up. And that is all I have for you today. A quick video just to share. Please like, share, and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And I look forward to doing another video and sharing it with you guys. And have a great day. As always, stay safe and be kind. And let's make